Now let's talk about agents that can augment human work. They don't automate full end-to-end workflows like a report generation agent or a pure extraction and system export agent, but they surface insights to help people work faster and smarter. Let's take a look at our NDA Review Agent. This agent operates when legal teams upload incoming NDAs, and the agent then pulls key terms like the governing law, indemnification, and termination. We compare them against internal guidelines placed in our NDA guidelines document, which lives inside of our Knowledge Hub. And then we flag any red lines or deviations that exist inside of this specific contract. From here, we're then able to have lawyers spend less time reading line by line and more time focusing on high impact negotiations. We do that by having these single select logic stages where we route for automatic approval, legal review, or requires immediate red flag changes. And you can easily access those views down here. In this workflow, we want to make sure that we're using summary style prompts that have a high degree of context and information in them so that the AIs know what they're looking for and can reason appropriately throughout. We also want to make sure that we're using reasoning models like GPT-4 Omni, Gemini 2.5 Pro or Flash, or Claude Opus models. Want to make sure that you're having these human-in-the-loop review stages clearly set up so that individuals can come into the platform and quickly action information where relevant. We're not replacing their expertise, but we're supercharging it. And these agents are perfect for compliance, legal, and procurement teams where the time is tight and their time is valuable. So set these AI copilots up and make sure that you've got them prepped for humans to get in there and do the work faster, smarter, and better.